Hey, it's Brandon, and if you're new here, I love to clean. Over the last month, I had the honor to be able to volunteer for a local nonprofit in my community called Pillars. They provide affordable housing and support for those in my community who truly need it. In talking with them, they shared that a huge challenge they face is having the resources to ready and clean up the units for the families in need. As I mentioned at the start of the video, I love to clean and I never say no to a cleaning challenge, so let's get to work. The first areas I cleaned were the bedrooms and the living room. Now there was so much debris on the carpet, I wanted to vacuum everything and see what I was working with. As you can see here, I found a very large slime spot that's going to be a challenge to clean up. Once the vacuuming was done, I moved on to wiping down all the walls and woodwork in the bedrooms and living room. For the pen and marker on the wall, I found that Zep's wall cleaner, a melamine sponge like an eraser daddy, and a microfiber cloth. Cleaned it right up. Once I finished all the walls and woodwork, these areas were officially prepped and ready for carpet cleaning. Stick around for tomorrow's video because I'll be sharing the full bathroom cleaning transformation. Hi, it's Brandon, and this is episode 2 of the full house deep clean for a local nonprofit called Pillars in my community. Yesterday we cleaned the bedrooms and living room, and today we're cleaning the bathroom. And my wife Sammy is here to kick off the fun. When it comes to these large deep cleaning projects, they can be very overwhelming. There's so much dirt and grime, you're not sure where to start. If you ever feel that way about cleaning, you're not alone because I do too. Now, when I feel that way, I'm reminded of a question a friend asked me a long time ago. He asked, how do you eat an elephant? And my first thought was, I don't ever want to eat an elephant. Why are you asking me this? But the answer was one bite at a time. So when I'm facing down a large cleaning project, I try to break them down into smaller tasks that are, well, easier to bite, and those really start to add up. So when it came to this bathroom, that's exactly what Sam and I did, working on each area one at a time until everything was nice and clean. And as you can see here, it cleaned up great. Join me for the next video when we clean up the kitchen. What is that? Well, it's grease, and this is episode 3 of my free full home deep cleaning for a local nonprofit in my area called Pillars. I knew this kitchen was going to take some extra time and love just because of all the grease and grime and the appliances like the refrigerator and oven too. I used a few degreasers like Dawn and Power Wash and even oven cleaner on the caked on areas and utilized something called dwell time. Now if you've never heard of that, it's just a fancy way of saying spray the cleaner on, leave it sit, and let it do its thing. This really helps me to clean smarter instead of harder because this lets the cleaner do all the heavy lifting and I just come through, give it a quick scrub, and wipe down. Pro tip, I like to use the bathtub to soak the shelves and drawers from my refrigerator. Just make sure they're room temperature before you put them in. After 2 days of cleaning everything top to bottom, I think this kitchen looks great. While yes, these cleans can be long days and hard at times, but I truly believe every family deserves a fresh, clean space, and I'm so excited for them to move in and enjoy.